if you love Indo-Chinese and if you love chicken Hakka noodles and especially love the street style, then this recipe is definitely for you. Trust me, you'll make this on repeat. First, let's make our noodles. In a pot, add in water, then add in salt, and then add in our noodles. Then let the noodles boil completely and drain the water and keep it aside. Now, in a wok, you need to add in oil. Once the oil has heated, add in chicken. Here, I've taken boneless chicken. I'm seasoning it up with some turmeric powder along with salt and cook the chicken really very well on high flame. Please note this needs to be on high flame, and especially when you cook all these in a iron kadai, the flavor of the Hakka noodles goes to another level completely. Now cook the chicken really very well till it's completely done, and now our chicken is completely done. I'll keep it aside. Now to the same wok, I've added in some veggies like ginger, garlic, green chilies. I've added in sliced onions and toss it on high flame. Now please note, any veggies which we add here, we don't want it to be soggy. We want it to be nice and crisp. That's the reason I'm tossing it on high flame. Now I've added in capsicum, I've added in spring onions, I've added in some shredded cabbage along with shredded carrot and tossing it on high flame. And next what I'll be doing is adding in some chicken which we previously cooked, and again seasoning it up with some soy sauce. Next I'll be adding in some red chili sauce, I'll be adding in some green chili sauce along with vinegar and toss it on high flame. All these veggies along with the chicken and the sauces needs to combine really very well. That's when the flavor of this chicken Hakka noodles come together. Now one tip which I wanted to tell you is when you drain the noodles, right, always previously when you make the noodles, once you drain the noodles, add a little bit of oil, mix it and keep it aside so that it stops the noodles from sticking each other. So that's a tip for you. Now the chicken is beautifully mixed along with the veggies. Now I've added in the cooked noodles, seasoning it up with some pepper powder along with salt and mix well. Look at the noodles, as I said, where if you add a little bit of oil, then the noodles will not stick to each other and comes out beautifully like this, slowly threaded one by one. Now I'm tossing the noodles really very well along with the sauces, veggies and chicken. Check for the salt at this stage, and finally sprinkle in some freshly chopped spring onions, and your super tasty Indo-Chinese street style chicken Hakka noodles is ready to serve. You can have it as your snack, your lunch or your tiffin. Kids will love it, you will love it. Instead of going out, you can just make it in your home in just under 20 minutes. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.